13 years after his racing career, or whatever you want to call it, ended, we've heard a lot about Jason Lawrence this year from the video with Phoenix Honda Racing, racing GNCC, which he actually did do. In the past, you've had some quote unquote news or rumors or whatever of him saying he's going to come back and race the series, or he's going to couple nationals, or a couple, just things which never panned out, never happened. And at a certain point, you just kind of hear the, person crying wolf, like, oh no, I'll be there. No, he wasn't. But this year, he did actually race the GNCC. He finished second, I think, in the industry class or whatever it is, which people have explained to me before. It's X-Pros or whatever. Still cool. Whether he finished high or low, the fact that he actually did it, actually said he was going, it was announced he was going to, and he actually came through and followed up and did it. Didn't quit halfway through, didn't not show up, whatever. Now we have, and I will say, somebody actually commented this on one of my last videos about him saying this, so good up to you. But apparently he will be racing the AMA Arenacross Championship Series with Phoenix Honda Racing alongside defending champion Kyle Peters. It's kind of cool. It's going to be one of those things, though. Like I said, there's been a lot of rumors about him doing series, and it's going to be the question of if he can actually put it all together. He apparently called SwapMoto Live to do an interview or talk on the phone while he was going to North Carolina for his preparation for this. So the question is going to be, one, being 36, he's kind of on the other end of the career. Two, does he have the motivation and the drive to get fit and be healthy and conditioned? Obviously, Arenacross is a little bit smaller than Supercross or Motocross, but is he actually going to put the effort in? Is going to be the question. I hope he does well. If it does, that's going to bring a lot of PR and a lot of attention to that series. And who knows, more prize money for the other guys, which would be good for them if it is. But in the comments below, tell me, do you think he actually does it? If he does do the whole season, where do you think he finishes? Is it going to be a quick flame and gone, or whatever? But in the comments below, tell me that. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.